Right, Milwaukee grease gun working. But not putting out any grease under pressure. Now, problem with these Milwaukees, switch assembly grand, you can get different components. Motor, obviously one piece, but the gearbox and the whole housing and actual pumping mechanism, all one piece. So if there's anything wrong in here, 100 quid straight away. Now, motor and gearbox assembly working fine. She's not pumped out any grease, well, not too much grease up here, so she hasn't lost pressure. It's the seal up there. Try not to lose all your gears. Right, so we have to get under this. Give us a washout first. Right, can't see much wrong with this at all. All the gears are fine. Plug's grand. The actual piston, not a mark on it. The only thing is the bore down in here. There is a very, very slight score. Barely even see it, unless that could be it. But apart from that, the thing looks good. We'll get her back together and give another test. Now, the only other thing I can think that could be wrong with this is the carriages themselves. So she's working and running, putting out the grease, no problem. But under load, once you actually go to use it on a grease nipple, she won't put out any grease. That's the one that it had. Try something different. The end's damaged too. Change that out. Right. Much better. So, two things that could have been. Could have been the grease cartridge. I've changed that. And there's a problem with the Milwaukee guns, grease guns. They will not take certain cartridges. It's only the Milwaukee that have that problem. The company Morris that makes grease in England and that, they use certain cartridges, and they have said whatever brand of cartridge you've changed to no longer works in the Milwaukee guns. So it's a common fault now. No other brand has the same problem, but only the Milwaukee one. Could have been that there, or it could have been the check valve. So I'll take that apart as well and clean that out. Either one, she's up and running now.